All right, you might have been surprised yesterday to see the sentence for a Galesburg woman. She drove away after hitting and killing a man in 2024. Maddie France joins us in studio to give us more context around the sentence and how the state's attorney is reacting. Good evening, Maddie.
Hey, John. 67-year-old Martha Ray pleaded guilty to a misdemeanor DUI and a felony for leaving the scene of an accident resulting in death. For sentencing, the misdemeanor has a maximum of 1 year in prison and 2 years of probation. The Class 4 felony recommends 1 to 3 years in prison and no more than 30 months of probation. Ray will serve 14 days in jail, 2 years of non-reporting probation, and 150 hours of community service.
In this case, we did ask for prison. I felt that it was warranted.
In making her case against Martha Ray, State's Attorney Ashley Warby says she wanted to deter other drivers from making the same mistakes.
And if nothing else, you need to make sure that that person is not dead or dying on the side of the road. And she didn't do that.
Ray hit Eric McKinney while he was riding his bicycle in 2024. He died at the hospital, and police found her half an hour later. A toxicology report showed a blood alcohol content of 0.022 and trace amounts of methamphetamine and hydrocodone. However,
in this case, I could not prove that proximate cause.
Warby says the police interview with Ray didn't show she was intoxicated. There wasn't proof the drugs in her system caused the accident or McKinney's death. That's why the DUI wasn't a felony.
He was weighing a lot of different principles, the punishment, the deterrence, the rehabilitation.
Other factors contributed to the judge's decisions. Ray said addiction and mental health counseling have helped her tremendously. She said she stayed clean and limited her driving.
This defendant has taken a lot of steps towards rehabilitation.
But her 2-week stint in jail won't get her off the hook.
If she does violate the terms of her non-reporting probation, we will file a petition to revoke and we will seek prison, and she would likely go to prison at that point.
McKinney's friends and family were disappointed and upset by the sentence.
What is it? Public service, 150 hours of public service and 14 days in jail? I mean, we're talking about somebody's life.
Warby says her office was familiar with McKinney. He had one leg and past struggles with addiction and the legal system, but he never stopped trying to be better.
He was an important person and his life mattered.
In studio, Maddie France, WQAD News 8.